don't have time for gloss. Good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenna, and today I'm doing my makeup in 10 minutes because I don't always have hours to get ready. Sometimes I have to be ready in about 10 minutes, so I'm setting my timer for 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you the makeup that I do when I still want to look presentable and glowy, but I am on a time crunch. So now I am in front of a window because there is a little bit of natural light left in the day, and I want to take advantage of it. I do have a little bit of skincare already on, so I will not be including that. And here we go. Perfect. Okay. Ooh, I have my timer up there. First thing I'm going to go in is with my L'Oreal. This is the True Match Lumi Glotion. This just helps make my base nice and even. I do also have the Say Glow Drops, but those are a little dark for me right now because that's a little bit of a darker color and I'm not that tan yet. So L'Oreal it is. And I prefer this to a foundation. I'm not a big foundation girl, but this just gives me a more even base to work with that still gives me that glow. Okay. Being strategic with my products here. I'm going in with my Jones Road. This is the Miracle Balm. This is in bronze. As you can see, I love her. And this is going on my cheekbones. This is a Sephora brush that I've had for longer than I care to admit. And this is going on my cheekbones, everywhere that bronzer goes, just to add that warmth back into my face. And what I like about this is that this applies so naturally to the skin because it's so glowy. And it's extremely buildable, which I really like. And then I am going to take a little bit and put it on the outside of my eyelids to kind of act as a minor eyeshadow, I suppose. Now I'm going in with my Jones Road blush. This is in Pinch Cheeks. And of course I love these products together because they layer so well on top of each other. This is going right on the cheeks. There we go. Just adding that blush where needed. Then I have my eyebrow pencil. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. I just am lightly filling in my brows at the base. Okay. Right, that just shapes my brows a little bit more. I'm going to set my brows with my Anastasia Brow Freeze. Love this stuff. Oh, I need somewhere to put this. I'm taking my Dior Backstage highlight palette, going in with the gold, I'm going in with the white, gonna highlight my nose, and then this is also going on the inner corner of my eye. Just to add a little shimmer, awaken my eyes a tiny bit. I'm gonna take a little more on my brow bone and my Cupid's bow. Very quick. Not a lot of technique here, obviously. Everything's falling. That's okay. Finally, for my concealer, I'm using the House Labs, the Lady Gaga brand, and putting that where I need it, which for me right now is a little around my nose, a little there. I actually am not going to put concealer under my eyes tonight because I just don't think I need it right now and I don't have the time to. So we're going to keep it simple with the concealer. Okay, I have 5 minutes left. I feel like that's pretty good for time. I'm adding the tiniest bit of powder because my face does get greasy, is the Laura Mercier powder. All right, do that. Just in areas that I get a little greasy, so for me that's on my chin, that's going to be a little bit in my T-zone. I lied, it's just going to be the whole center of my face. Okay. I'm taking that blush brush, I'm adding whatever blush is left from the brush onto my eyelids for just a little more color. And let's see. Where's my bronzer? This is my Marc Jacobs bronzer, going over everything. just slightly. I'm gonna bring it down my neck, just a tiny bit. And then, let's see, I have time for eyes. I'm gonna spray my face a little bit with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I like to do that before I do my eye makeup. All right, we're gonna curl the lashes just a hair. I am at about 2 minutes, 45 seconds, which is fine. After my lashes are curled, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paradise. I mentioned this in my last video. L'Oreal Paradise. Oh, God. Okay, I can't open this. Hang on. Okay. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal. I just dropped it, by the way. My L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara in waterproof. It's my favorite. And you're going to get... tiny coat on the top, little coat on the bottom. Now I'm going to repeat on this side. Oh boy, we're down to the wire and I don't have my lip liner readily available. Alright, same thing on this side. I'm just adding a little coat of mascara. Oh, I forgot the bottom. Alright, I actually have 40 seconds left to look for some good lip liner. Oh, probably should have put my makeup products out in order. So I'm not doing this exact thing and digging through my makeup bag, hoping to strike gold. I need a pink lip liner. Oh, hang on. Okay, well, I got Pillow Talk Fair. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. Oh gosh, I really don't like this. That's okay. Well, I have to go with it. I have no time left. Alright. I'm just doing a rough, if you can clearly see, I'm just doing like a very rough outline on my lips. Alright, well, we're gonna add a little bit of my Jones Road. See if I can. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. Alright, my lips are two very different colors right now because I use two different lip liners, but alright. I got a little gloss. Nope, that's not gloss. I don't have time for gloss. I have like, what is that, like 8 seconds to do my gloss? Hang on. Wow, that wasn't bad timing. Okay. So the timer was for a little bit of dramatic effect, but it was more so just to show that you can have very natural, presentable, pretty makeup in as little as 10 minutes. It doesn't always have to be something extravagant that takes hours, even though I do love those makeup looks, but this is what I was able to do. This is what I was able to accomplish in 10 minutes, and I think it looks great. I think it looks natural. I touched all my bases. You know, I hit everything. I even got lip gloss on. Didn't think I was going to make that there for a second. And there you have it. This is my 10-minute makeup look. I think it turned out pretty good. And now I'm ready to start my night with my girls. So I can't complain. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.